Okay, so today, guys, I am going to be teaching my dad right here how to play catch a fridge. So yeah, let's get right into it. Today, follow me.
Okay. Well, how's my arrow coming over? Oh no, never mind. I'm following you.
Okay, so basically, open this fridge right here. So yeah, you get fatter so now you have that.
Okay.
Now,
so my fat's 29.
Then follow me over here.
Okay, following you.
And go to the shop thing. And you can sell your fat for speed.
Okay, I'm gonna sell.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. So that makes me faster.
Then you can go past the stages better.
Okay, so now I gotta get more refrigerators so I can get enough. So what stage are you on?
I'm very good. This game, I have like about 1 million speed.
1 million speed. Oh my god. So why do you like this game so much?
Cause he's the YouTuber that I like Steak. He owns this game.
Okay.
So yeah.
This new game then?
Yeah, it just came out like 1 or 2 days ago.
It's pretty cool. So do I have to return? Or can I stay out here?
You can stay out there.
Oh, okay.
I'm like too fast for this game.
What's your speed at?
Some reason rebirths don't work. Now I just...
So what did you just try to do there, buddy?
Wait, what? Okay, rebirths do not work. I did rebirth, but they do not work at all.
So what's your speed at?
Like 22,000.
Goodness. I'm at 100s.
I just gotta grind this game.
Yeah, I mean, this definitely could be a grinding game, that's for sure.
Beaver I thought it said hamsters. What's going on? So what just happened?
So what just happened?
Oh yeah, I clicked the blue thing and it just teleported me back. But
Oh, what, I have to jump over this?
yeah,
Oh, so that's why you can't get too fat, then you won't be able to jump?
yeah. If it's like so, every time you eat a fridge, you get slower. Bro, I'm too fast.
Do Do you jump over this thing, buddy? Do you jump over
Jump over what?
that lava?
Yeah.
Am I just not fast enough?
Did you jump over it?
I couldn't do it.
Yeah, you need more speed.
Yeah, okay.
This game's like kind of impossible. Well, not really impossible, but it's hard. Dude, I keep dying to the lava.
Alright, I gotta get fatter so I can buy more speed. My feet's only at 400s. So does it do anything if you close the door to the fridge?
You can like close it and reopen it, I think. Guys, my little sister's in the hospital right now. I'll tell you why in a future video. And I think you should be able to jump over the lava.
Okay, 'cause I got up to speed 600.
Yeah, it should be enough.
Bro,
But,
I didn't make it.
oh my gosh, let me do this for you.
Bro, I can't.
How did the professionals do it? Right. Because I was just on my dad's phone doing something for him. There's the lava. Careful.
Bro, I just ran into the lava. This game is impossible.
I know it's impossible. Well, not impossible, but hard.
Alright, I gotta get one more fridge here to get a little bit fatter.
Do you need me to do it?
so bad, bro.
Is at the grind. Okay.
So you've been grinding on this game a lot?
Yep. Guys, we're almost at 100,000 speed. And we just hit it. Let's go. Where's my speed at?
Are we in a private or are we in a pub?
There's no private servers in this game. I'll go check though.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
No, it does not support private servers.
Bro, I need one more, then I gotta return.
And I do want to show you a secret glitch in this game. How to maybe fly kinda.
Sure.
Okay. It's really hard to do.
Okay.
So you go back here.
Okay.
Then you have to run and jump up on the roof of the speed shop and should glitch you up in the air. Kinda. Wait. When I try it, try it. Oh my god, this is impossible. Daddy, Joaquin,
Yeah,
Joaquin.
I do like it. Okay, sorry. Scratch my head. Alright, so what's impossible about this game, you think?
It's kind of just really hard. Probably.
So what-
Look how big this lava gap is.
Oh my goodness. How do you get past that?
I don't even know.
That is bonkers.
I miss it.
Bros.
No, you're fair! I just failed it. Coming soon.
Dang it.
Come on, bro.
Oh my goodness gracious. Why am I being an idiot? I don't know how to tell you.
Daddy, but when I try end it?
We can end it here soon.
Okay, so let me know.
Yeah, good. I say let's wrap it up.
Okay, well, anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!